Hello everyone, I'm Antonis Andronikakis, Communications Manager at reframe.food. Welcome to our Smart Droplets project podcast series. Smart Droplets focuses on reducing pesticide and fertilizer use by integrating advanced technologies. It does so in a holistic way, combining technologies aiming at crop care efficiency and environmental sustainability. Today we have with us Suzanne Baron from our French partner AgreenCulture to talk us about the exciting technologies they're developing. Suzanne, welcome to our podcast series.
Thank you, Antonis.
Let me start this conversation by asking you to tell us a few words about AGC, its role in the project, and your objectives.
Okay, so AGC AgreenCulture is a robotics company that has 10 years of experience especially in positioning, in a very precise positioning technology. So in the Smart Droplet project, we work on the integration of robotics solution for an autonomous spraying. We provide the retrofitted tractor that is actually attached to an advanced sprayer that is developed by another partner, and that will be deployed in real farms to address the challenges of resource optimization and waste minimization, targeting chemical and nutrient over-application and natural resource, which is water and soil exploitation during the crop care tasks. So AgreenCulture provides the robotic system, which is actually the retrofitted tractor that is used in the project in two different crops, for apples and for wheat. So we're working on two types of tractors.
Thank you for this introduction. Let's move on to our main part of the conversation. So, can you describe what a retrofit tractor is and what technologies are involved in it?
Yes. So, Antonis, let's take the example of a driver driving his tractor. A driver usually provides his own agricultural knowledge and does the navigation of the tractor and ensures the safety around the tractor. So in order to provide a retrofitted kit for the tractor, we have to provide all those three technologies. So we have to automate the tractor, and we have to ensure the safety around the tractor and provide that knowledge that the farmer provides. This retrofitted kit is made of based on two technologies. They're based on the hardware and on the software solution. The hardware solution is mainly provided by our AGC box, and a safety system, a safety sensor. And the software solution also provides, on a safety level, the safe fencing and the agro-intelligence, along with the guidance of the tractor.
Thank you for guiding us through this innovative project. As you've mentioned the AGC box, let's take a closer look on this technology. I mean, the retrofit tractor uses the autonomous navigation system, the AGC box as you call it. Can you tell us how this technology works and what makes it a game changer in modern farming practices?
Okay, so the machines that are automated with our AGC box system are guided by our secure positioning and guidance system that is developed by AgreenCulture using RTK GNSS technology with a centimeter level accuracy. The AGC box provides the navigation, the connectivity through 4G and LoRa, and the positioning through GNSS RTK, and the communication with the machine, the robot or the tractor. The first step is to carry out a survey, which maps out the first row, obstacles, and draws the certified safety contour, which ensures that the machine and its implement do not leave the working area. This certification provides the safe fencing contour that is certified, ISO certified, and ASIL B. The user can then generate his mission by showing the machine used and the tool attached or towed. Then the mission is then simulated and validated before being sent to the machine's AGC box. A radio remote control allows the machine to be moved in manual mode and to switch to autonomous mode in complete safety. The machine can then be launched with the mission management application in a very simple way on the cloud system or through the application. And then the machine then follows the mission orders from one row to another. It can calculate its own U-turns according to the space that it has, and its tools and the safe fencing constraints that we have set. The turns are adjusted in real time by the machine.
I think that our viewers can now understand the versatile role of this technology, but I'm sure that many who are watching us now would like to know what were some of the key challenges you encountered during the development of the retrofit tractor, and how did you overcome them?
Yes, exactly. So actually, when we talk about autonomy, we can never forget the safety, especially that it's the core of the development in agriculture. So the real challenge is to provide autonomy without reducing the safety standards, and vice versa, because we have to ensure that the machine does not leave its working area. We have developed a plug-and-play safety component called the safe fencing, which is a virtual safety barrier certified by an external certification body, and ensures that the machine remains within its working area. But if it's a safe tractor, it doesn't mean that it has to stop every time. So we have to ensure a high work output, which is through the autonomy. So we have also off-the-shelf safety computers that can be integrated into the machine to manage the entire tool, as well as the machine, the sensors, the bumpers, the LiDAR, emergency stop buttons, the buzzer, to enable the detection, but also to stop the machine if necessary. So frequent stops are something that the farmers wouldn't like, because they want their tractor to work normally. The challenge is to keep the tractor as working as a normal tractor and still to be autonomous. So we have to provide an autonomous tractor and to have to ensure that it is modular and adapts to the different conditions in the field as if the farmer is still present.
It's commendable how much effort you've put, and especially into the safety factor. Let's add the farmers into the equation of our discussion. What benefits do you anticipate farmers will see once the retrofit tractor is fully tested and implemented?
Okay, so in fact, it is possible. It's like for the farmers, it has to be a tractor that they are already used to work with, and it has to be autonomous. So one thing is that they can switch off the autonomous mode and switch it back on easily, in order to have their regular tractor that they used to drive it on the road or to drive it elsewhere as they used to do it. So this is actually less investment, because they don't have to invest in another machine that is only autonomous, but they're just automating, let's say, their own tractor. This is one thing. And the other thing is mainly on the economic part, is we can see that in some farms, it's like for mechanical weeding control, let's say in vineyards, the use of a standalone machine saves up to 20,000 euros per hectare, which is an important economic factor for the farmers. So there's one side, one benefit, which is to have an easier way in using their machines and to gain some profit from the use of their machines.
So thank you for listing all these benefits that farmers can't anticipate. As we are drawing to a close, I would like to pose a more general question. What future trends or advancements do you foresee in agricultural technology that could impact projects like Smart Droplets?
Well, I think that the farmers are ready and they want to automate their farms, but it still has to be very precise and it has to be very easy to use. So bringing solutions that are simple and easy to use for farmers would help them a lot in using some technologies on their farms. A project like Smart Droplets, for example, that has a very precise spraying system, is very important for them in order to keep on using their own machines as their tractors or new sprayers or their own sprayers, but in a very precise way. So all the projects working on more precision, more autonomy in a very simple way are most welcome, mainly by farmers.
Thank you, Suzanne. I think that at this point we are concluding. I want to thank you for being with us here and sharing all these great insights on innovation in farming.
Thank you a lot, Antonis.
And to our viewers, thank you also for joining us. Don't forget to follow our social media channels and of course our YouTube channel. Stay smart!